Hey guys, before the video starts, can we make it to 500 subscribers so we can make our own membership? If you do, please consider hitting the subscribe button. First, just a few simple steps. Number 1, go to our channel. Number 2, click the subscribe button. And like our videos, like our stupid videos. And turn on notifications all the time so you never miss a stupid video. Let's begin this video. Also, I'm being hit in the middle of this video. I'm being severe thunderstorm warning. So please pay respects and give a super thanks if you can to the creator. I'm not forcing you, but please do because severe thunderstorm for NJ subs. After you do, let's begin. Also, copyright. This is not copyright to Nintendo. Nintendo, if you're watching this, this is not copyright to. This is a plushie, okay? Let's continue this video. Did you see the alert? What alert, Maddie? What alert, Mario? Like, actually, check your phone. Okay, let me go grab it. A few seconds later. I got the phone. Okay. Wait, should I call Peach? Sure, toss me my phone. Okay. Okay. Let me call her. Okay. Okay, let me call her. Hello. Hello, hi Peach. I just want to say, can you, come here? There's gonna be a thunderstorm. Okay, thanks. Okay, now that's done. We just wait. 4 hours later. I literally don't know where Peach is. It's been 30 minutes. Still. I hope she's okay. Ding dong! Oh, wait. Peach? Wait, where'd she go? I don't know, Mario. Just wait. Okay, that's actually true. Wait, we didn't invite this guy? Hey, it's Peach. It's Peach. It's Peach. It's Peach, okay? What happened? It was raining. Thank God I had another pair here at your house. So, what do you want to do? I don't know, I don't know, Larry. I literally don't know. Also, stick to the end for a special face reveal. Oh, wait. It is literally starting to rain. Look for yourself, guys. I hope it's not like raining bad. Also, stick to the end for a special face reveal. Oh shoot, it is starting to pour down. Wanna play some Switch, guys? Sure. Oh, let me just get the Joy-Cons. There. I got them. Now I'll just put the Joy-Cons on. Okay. There. Let's put them on. Oh, okay. Oh, my turn. I was gonna play Uno or something. I was gonna play Uno. It's a good idea. Let's just play something else. Point of view. Point of view Mario. Okay, let's play. Okay, I'm done. Let's play a different game. Okay, there's nothing really to play. Yeah, there's nothing else. Okay, so what do you want to do else? I'm not going out on the TV. I'm not going out on the TV. Why? Somebody's watching our movies. No, we're supposed to fight back. With what? I had the perfect plan. Peach, I thought you were always scared of everything. Well, you should have just learned your lesson. Let me go grab the weapon. Here we go. Okay, let me see. Oh my goodness. Hey Luigi, check this out. Oh, he's sleeping. Wake up! Ah! Yeah, Mario? Dude, you're sleeping. Check this out, man. Okay. Oh my... Peach? What are we supposed to do? I had the perfect plan. Okay. Let's do this. Point of view Mario. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Let's put it away. Then what are we supposed to do next? I don't know, but there's nothing else to do. Hey, I want to play some PS4. Dude, why do you bring up PS4? Hey guys, another reminder. Did you subscribe, like, and do that yet? Or else Bowser will come and kill you. Do you want to do it on lighter? I mean, sure, why not? Okay, this will be the end of the video, guys. If you like this, our next video will be in starting at 8:15. So please like and subscribe for the all-night aid. Without further ado, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and do all that stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Also, please don't like and subscribe. Stop it! Okay. Bloopers. I brought my shoes instead of my Switch. Okay, you sure? Okay. Ah! Mario! Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. And Mario's is a loser with a crown.